How to turn on disappearing messages, or also known as vanish mode, on Instagram DMs. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can actually enter vanish mode on Instagram DMs to keep your chat more secure. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So what is vanish mode? So you know that on Snapchat, you have to understand how it works, right? Whenever you send a message, the other person sees it. After a certain while, the message just disappears again. And you have the similar feature on Messenger, you have the similar feature on Instagram as well. To get started using this feature, just go ahead and open up Instagram. Tap the DMs icon from the top right hand side. Normally when you go to a specific chat over here, you send them a message, the other person is going to know that you've sent a message. They can take a screenshot, they can do whatever they want with that message. But you want to turn on a secret conversation, you don't want any people to know what you've typed in that case you have to turn on vanish mode. Now to turn on vanish mode, there is a very simple way. From this chat screen, all you have to do is simply swipe up, which means just swipe up like this. You'll see the circle from the bottom that says swipe up to turn on vanish mode. As you do that, you can see vanish mode will be activated and will be switched to dark theme. And then here at the top you can see it says vanish mode, which means that now if I just send this person a message, right, and the other person sees it, the message is actually going to get deleted automatically. You don't have to do anything. When they see the message and then when they come back, they just go to the chat page. After they see it, the message will be deleted automatically. And this is one of the best features and the privacy features and settings of Instagram and the vanish mode. If you want to get rid of vanish mode, all you have to do is just swipe up from the bottom again, just like you did to turn it on. Do the opposite, and then right here you can see the vanish mode has been turned off, and then you can just come back to your original chat page. This is simply how you can turn on disappearing messenger, or also known as vanish mode, on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.